In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI to quickly update and improve your old blog content with the latest data and trends. First, I'll head over to the search bar to enter my initial prompt where I'm asking the AI to analyze the 2026 remote work landscape and identify 5 specific claims from 2021 that are now obsolete. I click the arrow to start the search, and I can see the AI instantly browsing the web to find the most current sources and insights. As the results are generated, I can see a clear breakdown of how the remote work narrative has evolved from purely remote to a more nuanced hybrid-first focus. The AI identifies that early predictions about the complete death of the office were exaggerated and provides a helpful rewrite example to bridge the gap between pandemic-era assumptions and current 2026 realities. Next, I want to refresh some specific data points, so I'll type a follow-up question into the search bar at the bottom. I'm asking for credible reports published between late 2025 and early 2026 regarding global electric vehicle adoption to replace some outdated 2020 statistics. Perplexity quickly pulls together a detailed table featuring high-authority sources like S&P Global and EV volumes to provide the most current statistics available for my post. These results explain why the new data is useful and offer a suggested replacement line that I can copy and paste directly into my content. This entire process ensures my blog remains factually accurate and authoritative by replacing stale assumptions with real-time, verified insights in just a few clicks. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.